Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best lawn care leads using Coldlytics. So let's get started. So today we are going to Atlanta, as Atlanta has a climate where you can grow things all year long, including your lawns. So I'm just going to increase this to 25. Industries, we are looking for lawn care. Sanity check. We got 3 great companies. They all look, pretty reputable. So I'm going to add that. Next, to lock it in, we're looking for owners and founders and directors and executives. In case the owner has a C-suite title, it'll count for that case too, as we just are looking for one per company. Filters. Today, I am just going to put a Google review set between a 3 and a 5. Why we add this filter is it kind of just filters out all the bad companies that don't have, a great reception. Like, we want companies that treat their clients and customers with respect. Thus, they're going to treat you with respect. So next, I'll lock that in. We're going to move on to deliver now. And I am going to make sure to target a lot of these marketing metrics like GMB claimed. If their business isn't claimed on Google and it's, ranking pretty high in your search position, that's almost like a guaranteed sale. Like, your business isn't claimed, I can do that for you. Work with me, right? Social media is good for seeing where they're spending their marketing budget. Revenue, headcount, data salvage is good for determining longevity of a client, and taking your 100 good leads to 20 great leads. Ad pixels are good for intent, whether they want to work with marketers. Technology is good for building out, how are you going to build out your package that you present to them when you reach out. If you have WordPress skills, they have a WordPress site, easier to work with, right? Search term, search location is also pretty great too. So next to lock that in, we're going to finish that up. And make sure to give it a title, set your context required. I always save a draft just in case I want to come back and change something after I launch it. It's there and I don't have to start from scratch. So with that being said, I'm going to launch this. As you can see, we got our lawn care in Atlanta. It's allocating, which means it's in our team's hands, and it should be ready for you within about 24 hours, as you can see, to the next day. So yeah, that's how you find the best lawn care leads using Coldlytics, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.